guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Billionaire. Today I'm going to be showing you the site where you can claim free TRX with no investment. And when I mean no investment, I mean there's not going to be any investment from your own side at all. Now guys, if you are watching this video, make sure you like this video, hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so whenever we drop a new content, you are going to be updated. So guys, the site which I'm going to be showing you today is called Cardone.cc. Now I'm going to be dropping the link to this site in the description box below. So when you click on the link, you are going to be directed to this. This is what you are going to be seeing. As you can see here, over 135,000 people are registered. Over $130,000 have been invested, and this is what have been paid out in total. So this is days worked and all that. So guys, what you're going to be doing here, you click on here which says menu. When you click on menu, then you click on registration. Now guys, when you click on registration, you input your username, your email, your password, confirm your password, then verify you're not a robot over here. And after that, you click on sign up. Now guys, after that is done, then you proceed to logging into your account. As you can see, I already have mine. So you input your username or your email, then your password, then verify you're not a robot, which I'm going to be doing now. After that is done, you click on login. Now guys, when you click on when you are logged into this, you can see here you can claim so many coins over here. So what we are going to be doing now, we are going to be claiming, or rather mining free TRX. Now all you have to do is to click on the menu over here. When you click on menu, then you come out here and click on wallets. Then you click on mining. Now guys, when you click on mining, this is what you are going to be seeing over here. You scroll down. Now guys, this is the TRX. So all you have to do is you draw this green button to the end, just like this. And guys, as you can see, it has started mining for us. So guys, this is how to mine free TRX on Cardone.cc. And now guys, to withdraw this to our Trust wallet, all you have to do is go back to this menu, click on menu, wallet, then you click on balance. Now guys, when you scroll down, as we are going to be seeing here, going to be seeing withdraw. So all you have to do is to click on withdraw. Now you input the amount in which you want to withdraw here, then input your Tron address from your Trust wallet, then you go ahead and click on withdraw, and your earning will be withdrawn directly to your Trust wallet. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell, and also join my Telegram channel so you don't stand to miss any update I'm going to be dropping. Thanks for watching.